Hello friends, myself Subhash Nagarse from Sri Digambar Jain Gurukul Prashala, Solapur. Today we will discuss on 9th Mathematics Part 2, that is Geometry Circle Part 3. Friends, in the previous video of this topic Circle Part 3, we have been discussed on the properties of the congruent chords and relation between the congruent chords of a circle and their distances from the center. We also discussed on the problems from the practice at 6.2, which were based on the properties of the congruent chords. Today we will discuss on the following subtopics, that is inner circle of a triangle and to construct the inner circle of a triangle, semicircle of a triangle and to construct the semicircle of a triangle, and practice at 6.3. So friends, let us start with inner circle of a triangle. Inner circle of a triangle. Friends, a circle is drawn inside a triangle such that it touches all the three sides of the triangle is called as inner circle. In the adjoining figure you could see the circle is drawn and which is going to touch to all sides of a triangle. The sides of the triangle which touches the circle are tangents to the circle. Hence, the center of the circle is situated at the intersection of the triangle's internal angle bisectors. This point is known as the inner center of the triangle and it is always equidistant from the sides of the triangle. So the length of this perpendicular is called as the inner radius. A circle can be inscribed in any triangle, whether it is isosceles, scalene, an equilateral triangle, an acute angle triangle, an obtuse angle triangle, or a right angle triangle. And in center of a triangle always lies inside the triangle. So friends, you should remember that the circle which touches all the sides of a triangle is called as the inner circle of the triangle and the center of the circle is called as the inner center of the triangle. Now we'll see an example. Construct the inner circle of a triangle ABC with AB 7 cm, angle B 50 and BC is 6 cm. And the steps that we have to follow is draw triangle ABC with a given measurement, that is AB is 7, angle B is 50 and BC is 6 cm, that we already learned in the previous standards. You can draw this triangle. The second step what we have to do is draw the angle bisectors of the two angles, that is angle A and angle B. The angle bisector we have to draw by using compass of this triangle and let these two bisectors are meeting at this point I. The third step required is from this point I, that is the inner center, draw perpendicular on this side AB. ID is the perpendicular from this ID. We know how to draw the perpendicular to a given segment from the external point. Now last step, with I as the center and ID is the radius, draw the circle. This circle will touch all the three sides of the triangle known as inner circle of the given triangle. Here is easy steps you practice at the home. Circumcircle of a triangle. Friend, the circle passing through all three vertices of a triangle is called as circle of a triangle. You could see in the adjoining figure. The centers of that circle which passes through all the vertices of a triangle is called as circumcenter of the triangle. When the vertices of a triangle lie on the circle, the sides of the triangle form chords of a circle. The radius of the circumcircle is equal to distance between the circumcenter and any one of the triangle's three vertices. Thus, the circumcenter of a triangle is equidistant from the three vertices. The center of this circle is called as the circumcenter and its radius is called as the circumradius. Friends, you should remember this, that circle passing through all the vertices of a triangle is the circumcircle of the triangle and the center of the circle is the circumcenter of the triangle. So friends, we'll see one example. Construct the circumcircle of the triangle ABC where AB is 4.5 cm, BC is 3 cm and AC is 5 cm. So friends, here different steps are there. We'll see first step. Draw the triangle ABC whose sides are given. It has been drawn. You can draw easily. Three sides are given. Second step is draw the perpendicular bisector of any two sides. We will take here AB and BC. The perpendicular bisector of AB and BC is drawn here. Let that two perpendicular bisectors of this AB and CD are intersecting at point O as shown in the figure. This is the circumcenter now. Now last step, with O as the center and OC, here it's shown with the red color. OC is the radius. Draw the circle. The circle will pass through the three vertices of the triangle, which is known as circumcircle of the given triangle. You can draw any measure, any triangle and try practice these figures. Now let's see practice set 6.3. Number 1. Construct triangle ABC such that angle B is 100, BC is 6.4 cm, angle C is 50 and construct its in circle. So what the steps we have follow is first construct triangle ABC, then draw the bisectors of angle B and angle C. Let these bisectors are intersecting at point I. Draw the perpendicular I M on the side BC. Point M is the foot of this perpendicular drawn. With I as the center and radius is equal to IM, draw the circle which touches all the sides of the given triangle, indicating that it is a in circle. Construct triangle PQR such that angle P is 70, angle R is 50 and QR is equal to 7.3 cm and construct the circumcircle. The steps that we have to follow is, in this triangle QR is given but angle P and angle R are given. So we must know angle Q. For that we will use the angular measure sum property of a triangle. In triangle PQR, angle P, angle Q, angle R, addition of all these three angles is 180. Now put the value 70 plus angle Q plus 50 is 180. Therefore angle Q is equal to 180 minus 70. Therefore we will get that angle Q will be 180 minus 70 minus 50. So angle Q is 60. Now steps for the construction. Construct this the triangle PQR as per the given measurements. Draw the perpendicular bisectors of this side PQ and that of QR, PQ and QR. Name the point of intersection of this perpendicular bisector as point C. Join CP, this one, dotted line shown it is here. It is the radius. Draw the circle which passes through three vertices of this triangle, indicating that this is the circumcircle. Problem 3. Construct triangle XYZ such that XY is 6.7 cm, YZ is 5.8 cm and XZ is 6.9 cm. Constructs its in circle now. Friends, here we have to construct this triangle XYZ with the given measurements. Draw the bisectors. We have to draw the in circle, so we have to bisect two angles. Let angle X and angle Z should bisected, and these bisectors are meeting at this point I. Draw IM perpendicular to this XZ. M is the foot of this perpendicular. With I as the center, IM is the radius. Draw the in circle which is touching three sides. So this indicate that is in circle of the given triangle. Number 4. In triangle LMN, LM is 7.2 cm, M is 105, MN is 6.4. Then draw triangle LMN and its construct circumcircle. Friends, again here first step we have to construct the triangle LMN with the given measurement, which is becoming an obtuse angle triangle. Draw the perpendicular bisectors of this side MN and side ML. These two are meeting in the exterior region of this triangle, outside the triangle. Let it be intersecting point is C. Now C and M, dotted line shown. CM as a radius. Draw a circle which passes through the three vertices of a given triangle LMN, indicating that it is the circumcircle of the triangle. Construct triangle DF such that D is equal to EF is 6 cm and angle F is 45 and construct its circumcircle. Again, friend, here first of all we have to draw the triangle DEF with the given measurement. We have to construct here a circumcircle, so sides should be bisected. Two sides that are going to bisect, draw the perpendicular bisector of two sides, that is namely DE and EF. Here DE and EF's perpendicular bisectors are meeting at point C. Join CE. Join CE. Considering C center and C is equal to radius, draw a circle which will pass through three vertices of a given triangle, indicating that it is the circumcircle of a given triangle. Friends, what we have been discussed today in this video. The first is in circle of a triangle, circumcircle of a triangle, and the various problems from the practice 36.3, which are based on constructing a circumcircle and in circle of a given triangle. So friends, will you try this? Number 1, construct triangle PQR such that PQ is 6 cm, Q is 35, QR is 5.5 cm. Draw in circle of the triangle PQR. Second, construct triangle DEF such that D is equal to 4.2 cm, angle D is 60, angle E is 70. And draw circumcircle of it. Draw rough figure, write the given answer. Measures. Here activity is there. Draw any equilateral triangle. Draw in circle and circumcircle of it. What did you observe while doing this activity? You have to mention the observations. So try this. Again use reference study material and attempt the problems. Practice again and again. So friends, you should not forget the famous words from David Hilbert, a German mathematician. He says, mathematics knows no races or geographic boundaries. Mathematics knows no races or geographic boundaries. For mathematics, the cultural world is one country. Very nice wording. Thank you.